In this video, I'm going to discuss Netflix containers. Netflix uses Docker containers, and those containers form the backbone of Netflix structure. Containers support virtualization. If you've worked with virtualization before, then a container is very similar to virtualization, except that it is way smaller and uses way less resources. Why? Because it's just another process. If you've ever used Windows and noticed the taskbar and seen all those processes running on your machine, then a container is just another one of these processes. So you can imagine it uses way less resources than a virtual machine. And because it's so small, we can run several of these images. So we can have several processes running at the same time. Images are considered lightweight, again, because of the fact that we can bundle everything together. And it's also standalone, again, because we can bundle everything together. And by that, I mean we can bundle the operating system and any other resources that your application needs, as well as the application itself. And all of that can be burnt into what's called an image. So an image is just another file on your machine, but that file contains everything that that application needs to run. The only thing it'll ask the host for are things like networking, like a port number or something like that, and maybe access to the file system. But other than that, it is a lightweight standalone application. So at Netflix, they have used Docker containers, and they've collected all of these containers together into a platform called Titus. So Titus is a Docker container job management and execution platform. It handles the scheduling of applications by matching the required resources that that application needs against the available computer resources. Netflix runs several heavy-duty batch jobs that require flexibility in the cloud. These jobs can be run at any time and include things like encoding, testing, CDN deployment. In fact, some of these jobs can run for several days. So Titus has to be able to support the nature of Netflix and the type of batch jobs that they have to do. So, and they went this way because the cloud that they're using, the Amazon Web Services cloud, did not provide this sort of support for the type of batch jobs that Netflix required. So now they've even gone to services. Services are now being handled by containers, and that's a good thing because remember, with a container, the image that is deployed to the cloud and is running that application, that's the exact same image that any developer can access at any point in time. So that means that if there's a problem